Hello everyone and welcome back to Neil Explains. Today I come with this spiral math question 3 by 7 divided by 12 by 28 times 7. Try to solve by your own and comment your answer to feature in our tutorial. So whatever your answer will be, right or wrong, I will give you shout out here. I will use the PEMDAS here and using my KCF rule to solve this question. So according to PEMDAS, division and multiplication of the same variety. So we have to operate from left to right. Okay, so first we will operate this part. To operate this part, we will use the KCF rule here. KCF stands for keep, change, flip. We have to keep 3 by 7 as it is. We have to change division into multiplication, and we have to flip 12 by 28 is into 28 by 12 and into 7. We will rewrite like this. Now by doing simple simplification, we will get the right answer. So we will solve 7 times 1, 7 times 1, 3 times 1 and 3 times 4, that is equal to 12, and 4 times 1 and 7 times 27. So here what we get, 1 times 7 times 1 and 1 times 1, which equals to 7. So your right answer is 7. And if you are serious, then check out this product list in the description and like this video and subscribe channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.